St. Mary's and to build up our church. Many of my happiest memories occurred in St. Joseph's Hall. My own kindergarten graduation ceremony, my senior play in high school, my 45th class reunion. The beautiful building is iconic for parish, school, and community celebrations. Everyone growing up in St. Mary's has similar memories and experiences. St. Joseph's Society has a remarkable history of enriching school and parish life by making the hall available for a wide variety of church and community building activities. My perspective has more details than most because during my time as principal, I asked many favors of the St. Joseph's leadership. We used the hall as a venue for school programs and performances, but we also brought in basketball goals and volleyball standards and used the hall as a gym. Fortunately, the structure was as resilient as the faith of the individuals who built it and maintained it for 116 years. The building is historically significant and is one of the most recognized structures in our community. For clarification, many of you may not know, this remarkable hall is owned by the society itself. It's not owned by St. Mary's Parish or school or the diocese. But St. Joseph's doesn't just help St. Mary's School. The hall remains a vital part of Fredericksburg community life. You might know that the Fredericksburg Theater Company got its start in St. Joseph's Hall. Many of the music festivals and concerts of our community are regularly hosted in the hall. The hall is used for art shows, art and craft sales, as well as assorted family celebrations. It has been a distinct part of the culture and life of Fredericksburg for more than a century. The Society has commissioned an ambitious plan for renovation of the hall. The organization has been actively soliciting funds outside the Catholic faith from individuals, foundations, and businesses that have a strong desire to see the preservation of St. Joseph's Hall. Already $1.9 million has been raised for this effort. This Friday, we received a $50,000 gift from a non-parish source and several smaller donations. As a bonus to our fundraising, the Society can receive an additional $500,000 through a challenge grant from the Diane Owen Stein Foundation. We need to raise an additional $900,000 to qualify for this $500,000 grant. These combined funds will be enough to complete the entire project. Up until today, the St. Joseph Society has not appealed to the generous nature of the St. Mary's Parish. Today, we are asking for your help. Please consider giving to this project. Your donation will move us closer to the goal needed to start renovation. This morning, we have members of St. Joseph's Society available both in the Holy Family Center and in St. Joseph's Hall to provide more details and information about the vision for the future of the hall. Our project success will depend upon your help. Today's Gospel of Luke describes one of many temptations Jesus experienced. Save yourself. Too often I find myself giving into that temptation. When I turn inward and focus on my personal concerns, I lose the ability to help and serve others. Jesus resisted that temptation for self-preservation and instead was able to grant mercy to the sinner. I pray that I am able to resist that temptation to dwell on my own personal needs while ignoring others. I pray that our parish members will respond to this appeal for funding of the St. Joseph Hall Restoration Project. God bless you.
Thank you.